Halloween is just around the corner. And what better way to celebrate than with quick, no-bake Halloween desserts that come together in just 20 minutes. These spooky treats are sweet, simple, and perfect for parties, movie nights, or school celebrations. Grab your mixing bowls and spooky spirit. Let's dive into a few of the easiest no-bake Halloween desserts you can make today. First up, pumpkin patch chocolate cups. They look adorable and taste amazing. Here's how to make them. Melt 1 cup of chocolate chips in the microwave until smooth. Spoon the chocolate into mini cupcake liners and refrigerate until firm. In a bowl, mix 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter with 2 cups of Rice Krispies. Once your chocolate cups are set, fill them with the peanut butter mixture. Finally, melt some green candy melts and drizzle them over the top to create a vine effect. Let them chill again before serving. These cute pumpkin patch cups are the perfect no-bake Halloween dessert. Fun to make, and even more fun to eat. Next up, meet the creepy crawly Oreo truffles. Spooky, chocolatey, and dangerously delicious. You'll need 1 package of Oreo cookies, 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and edible eyes or licorice for decoration. Crush the Oreos into fine crumbs and mix them with cream cheese until smooth. Roll the mixture into small balls, then freeze for 30 minutes. Melt the chocolate, dip each ball to coat, and before it sets, add your candy eyes or licorice legs. Let them harden on wax paper. Let's add some Halloween magic with Witch's Broomstick pretzels. They're simple, crunchy, and full of whimsy. Dip pretzel rods into melted chocolate, letting the excess drip off. Sprinkle on edible glitter while the chocolate is still wet. Attach a strip of fruit leather to one end to look like broom bristles. Let them set on parchment paper until firm. A fun, snackable broomstick treat everyone will love. Now for a family favorite, Mummy Rice Krispie Treats. You'll need 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 package of marshmallows, 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal, white chocolate for drizzling, and candy eyes to bring your mummies to life. Melt the butter over low heat, then stir in the marshmallows until smooth. Remove from heat, add the Rice Krispies, and mix well. Press into a greased pan, let it cool, then cut into rectangles. Dip or drizzle white chocolate across the top and add candy eyes. These treats are cute, chewy, and guaranteed to bring a smile to any Halloween party. Looking for something healthy and spooky? Try Batty Banana Pops. Cut bananas into thick slices and freeze them for 30 minutes. Dip the frozen bananas in melted dark chocolate and place them on parchment paper to set. Add almond slivers as wings and candy eyes for a fun bat look. These banana pops are both nutritious and festive, a perfect balance of spooky and sweet. For something colorful, try candy corn parfaits. In clear cups, layer orange jello, vanilla pudding, and whipped cream to mimic candy corn. Top with real candy corn for the finishing touch. They're festive, simple, and great for both kids and adults. Up next, Frankenstein pretzel bites. Melt green candy melts and dip mini pretzels until coated. Add chocolate chips for eyes and candy corn pieces on each side for bolts. Let them set, and your little monsters are ready to party. Finally, let's wrap it up with a spooky snack mix. In a large bowl, combine 4 cups of popcorn, 2 cups of pretzels, 1 cup of candy corn, and 1 cup of chocolate chunks. Mix them together and serve in Halloween-themed bowls or bags. Sweet, salty, and crunchy. This mix disappears faster than ghosts at midnight. And there you have it. Spooky, simple, and delicious no-bake Halloween desserts that come together in 20 minutes or less. Perfect for parties, family nights, or anytime you crave a little Halloween magic. Try one, or all, of these fun recipes this season. Be sure to check out this video for more.